Hi, I am Sankar Ganesh. I am studying third year aeronautical engineering in SNS College of Technology. In this video, we go and see about the application of artificial intelligence in the inaccuracy of forecasting is due to the chaotical nature of the atmosphere, the massive computative power required to solve the equations that describe the atmosphere, the land, and the ocean. The error involved in measuring the initial condition and an incomplete understanding of atmosphere and related process. Hence, forecasting becomes the less accurate as the difference between current time and the time of which forecast being made increases. The use of ensembles and model consumes help narrow the error and provide confident level of forecasting. Benefits of forecasting, weather forecasting in aeronautical engineering. Forecasting methodology find AMDAR data value and useful, providing significant improvement to application for monitoring and predicting of weather system and phenomena such as surface and upper air forecast of wind and temperature, thunderstorm genesis, location and severity, wind shear location and intensity, low cloud formation location and duration, fog formation location and duration, turbulence location and intensity, jet stream location and intensity, precipitance amount and rates, condition leading to aircrafting. Because the aviation industry is especially sensitive to the weather, accurate weather forecasting is essential considering the fact that a greater number of plane crashes recorded in world over have weather-related causes. Just turbulence and inching are significant in flight hazards. Thunderstorms are a major problem for all aircraft because of severe turbulence due to their upgrades and outflow boundaries, icing due to heavy precipitation, as well as large hail, strong winds, and lightning, all of which we can serve damage to an aircraft in flight. Volcanic ash is also a significant problem for aviation as aircraft can lose engine power with ash clouds on day-to-day basis. Airlines are ordered to take advantage to the jet stream tailwater to improve the fuel efficiency. Air crews are briefed prior to takeoff on the condition to accept en route and their destination. Additionally, airports often change which runway is being used to take advantage of a heavy headwind. This reduces the distance required for takeoff and to eliminate potential crosswinds. Summary: Weather forecasting is a complex and challenging science that depends on the efficiency interplay of weather observation, data analysis by methodology and computer, and rapid communication system. Meteorologists have achieved a very respectable level of skill for shortage weather forecasting. Further improvement is expected with denser surface and upper air observation network. More precise numerical model of the continued international cooperation is essential. For the atmosphere is a continuous fluid that knows no political boundaries. Thank you for watching this video.